Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this autumn garland on the wall grid back there. And without further ado, let's start crafting. The things you'll need are a piece of paper, a pencil, a marker, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, some thread, and some felt fabric. These are the fabrics I'll be using today. I have green, brown, this rich golden yellow color, and red. Begin by drawing 2 to 4 leaf designs on card paper. You can do a draft with your pencil and then finalize your design with a marker. Here I'm drawing 2 oak leaf designs and 2 maple leaf designs. And by the way, you don't have to draw the veins. I drew those to make them look better on camera. I'm gonna do an overhead shot later just in case you need to screenshot my designs. After you finish drawing, cut out your patterns and make the ends of your leaves a little bit wider than what you drew. Mine are about 1 centimeter wide. I decided to use red and yellow for my maple leaves and brown and green for my oak leaves. Cut your felt fabrics into straps. The height of the straps needs to be a little longer than twice the height of your leaves. The width will depend on the width of each individual leaf. It needs to be a little bit wider than that leaf. After that, fold your straps in half and place your patterns on the straps. Make sure the end of your leaf is on the fold, not the other side. Then start tracing your patterns. After you finish tracing, cut out your leaves. And remember not to cut the fold. By now you should have a lot of leftover fabric. Cut them into tiny pieces. We'll be using them later. All that cutting will leave a lot of felt flakes on your table, so I suggest cleaning it up before moving on to the next step. Here I'm using my new desktop vacuum. I'll see if I can find a link to this product, and if I do, I'll put a link in the description box below. It's time to glue things together! Glue the front and back of your leaves, but leave an opening at the tip of your leaf that's big enough for a finger to poke in. The next step is to stuff your leaves with the tiny pieces of felt fabric. After you finish stuffing your leaves, seal the openings. The next step is to connect all your leaves. You can do this by pulling thread through the holes at the end of your leaves. Tie a knot at the end of your thread and adjust the space between your leaves. My leaves are about 10 centimeters high, and this is what they look like up close. Let me do an overhead shot. And this is how this autumn garland looks on my wall grid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like and share it with a friend who loves to do DIYs. Subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss my future content, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Thanks for watching. Bye!